Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Lake Properties, bringing another big listing in Griffin Ranch, 54885 Madagascar Way. Come on in. Welcome to the interior of the property. In Griffin Ranch, this is part of the Prestige Collections. 4 bedrooms, 2 master suites, 5 bathrooms, huge open floor plan, high ceilings, formal dining, and sits on a huge lot with tons of upgrades. The interior custom features include 18 by 36 big tile floors, quartz countertops, Thermador appliances, custom backsplash, large baseboard, custom window treatments, and big light features throughout. One of the special features about this open floor plan is the formal dining room. This formal dining room includes obviously the dining room, surround sound, wet bar with mini fridge, fireplace, and full entertainment. Located at the south wing of the house, master bedroom 1. Huge volume, huge space, direct access to the backyard, mini fridge in this little area, commode, double vanity sinks, big walk-in shower, freestanding tub with fireplace. Back at you in the north master suite, again, huge size, big ceilings. Walking into the master, big walk-in shower you're gonna see over here to my right. Another big freestanding tub, double vanity sinks, cabinetry throughout. Welcome to the key feature of this floor plan, outdoor-indoor living. Humongous pocket door here, standing in the living room, out to your front yard, which is a front-loaded pool, just under a 16,000 square foot lot with tons of features. Welcome to the front courtyard. Totally private, PebbleTech pool and spa, fireplace, custom mist system, built-in barbecue, 2 TVs, direct access to the south master bedroom, turf all around the property, custom putting green, and the west-facing mountain views. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in Griffin Ranch, 54885 Madagascar Way. For more information, contact me direct, Charles Scicli with Desert Lake Properties.